Hey guys, TD Toy Customs here. Today we're going to be taking a look at my custom Gohan, the manga version, repainted to anime accurate colors. As you can see, I think it turned out really good. In case you guys don't know what the hell it used to look like, search up on Google Images or something. Manga color Team Gohan. Yeah, there we go. By s.h.figuarts, and then you guys will see what it looked like before. Pretty much all I did was repaint this into anime accurate colors. But with full repaints, there's always a lot of issues, and I came with so many issues with this figure too, with like the paint chip and everything like that. But I managed to fix it, and here's the finished product, except one face. I'm still working on one face, but I want to get this review out there, so I'll show you the face I'm working on right now. It's not going to be the exact face, but like, here, I'll just show you. So it's like this face right here, except that he's not, his mouth is closed. Yeah, he's looking forward, and his eyebrows are painted black to be the base form. It's just I'm repainting the skin tone, because I forgot to repaint it. So, but yeah. So that's what the other face looks like, but I don't have it with me because it's not finished yet, like I said. But yeah, the skin has been repainted. Well, not repainted, but shaded heavily. So like it looks like a darker skin color, so it's not too white. As you can see, I still got to do some shading there, which I forgot, but you can compare it right here. There's shaded, then non-shaded right there. That's how you can tell how white he was before. Same thing with the faces. I shaded the hell out of it to make sure. I guess you could consider a skin repaint, since that's pretty much what it was doing. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. Still has its articulation and everything. I was gonna paint the the boots darker brown, but I didn't really want to, since for me it's not commission, and I didn't really mind these, and I shaded them myself, so I didn't repaint it dark brown. If it was a commission, I would have repainted the dark brown to be even more accurate, but like I said, it doesn't really bother me, so I didn't do that. But yeah, it's not really much to talk about. I'm just showing you guys a figure. I also gave it some shading in the hair, some dust on it, so I have to wipe it out because it was in my garage for a while. But yeah, oh yeah, I gave the hair some shading, like I was saying, because I don't like hairs when it's just plain on black. As you can see, gave it some gray shading there. Just gotta fix the tip right there, paint chip. I don't know why tips of the hair, bro. They always manage to paint chip super easily, no matter what I do. Don't know why it's like that. I'll fix that later though. As you can see, everything here is painted by me and shaded. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Super Saiyan 2 faces and everything that I shaded with it. So first, let me put on the Super Saiyan 2 head. There it is. I was planning on repainting it, but I was like, nah, because it already looks pretty good in my opinion. Oh, I forgot to get rid of the freckles on this face. Just realized. I'll get rid of it later. But the other faces, except this one right here, I'm keeping the freckles right here because I think it looks good on this face. But the other faces, I'm getting rid of the freckles. Well, I did get rid of the freckles. Just this one. Forgot to get rid of the freckles. But yeah, it looks really good. Looks more nicer in person in my opinion. I even shaded the hands. We're standing up real quick. Let me show you guys the other faces real quick. First I'm gonna show you the cape. I'm not too happy how it turned out because my airbrush was messing up. I'll probably redo it later. But yeah, my airbrush was messing up on this, so not too happy how it turned out. Like I said, I'll probably redo it later. But yeah, I wasn't planning on displaying him with the cape, so it's not really a big loss for me. But yeah, let me go show you guys the hands. Actually, I'm not gonna show you guys the hands because that's not too interesting. I'll show you guys the faces though, which I shaded. It's more noticeable in person. I don't know why the camera doesn't manage to pick it up as good as it is in person. But yeah, there's that one. Then there's this one. Looks pretty good in my opinion. As you can see, I got rid of the freckles. And then there's this one that I showed you guys already. If I can pull it out. Yep. Still a bit of freckles left. I have to get rid of that. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. I'm gonna show you this Goku I have right here, just so you guys can see what it looks like size compared, or as size comparison. This is the closest Goku I have near me. Looks really good in my opinion. Fuck, it's hot. But yeah, I might have photos at the end. I don't know. Depends how I feel. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Also check out my Instagram, it's linked in bio.